Skype is a telecommunications application that is specialized in video and audio calls. It is currently in the hands of Microsoft and it has about 100 million monthly users. It is available for many platforms and operating systems. To use the service, you are not required to have a phone number, an email address is enough. Installing Skype. You can install Skype from the Google Play Store. Upon first starting Skype, you'll be required to log in. You may register right here or supply your existing account's details. Then a few initial questions will follow. Since Skype isn't a telephone number-based system, you can opt out of syncing your contacts list with Skype. If you are privacy conscious, I recommend you to do that. Press here to disable contacts sync. Then press Continue. Now, it is requesting permission to record audio and video. Since Skype's main feature is the video chat, it makes sense to give it these permissions. And now we are here on the main page of Skype. Your conversations will be here. I don't have any yet, but that will change soon. With the search icon up here, you can search for people and conversations. And you may start a new chat with the floating action button down here. Let's tap on this pen icon. From here you may start a call, a group chat or a video meeting. Down here in the People section, you can tap on any of your Skype contacts. Or if you are about to add someone new to your Skype friends, type in their name by tapping here. The list is updated down here as you type. If you have found the person you were looking for, tap on their name. Down here you have the text box, where you can type in your messages. Tap there and type in something. Press the Send button to send the message. You can record short audio messages by tapping on the microphone icon right here. Capture a photo right here with the camera icon and send it to someone. You may send a photo by pressing the plus button too. You can start a video call or an audio call with these two buttons up here. Press the camera to start a video call. In the call, you have controls for several things. You may mute your microphone with this button. You can disable your camera with this one. And you can finish the call with this one. That's it about the basics of Skype. See you in the next video.